Snappii offers 100+ report templates. The variety of forms is huge. Invoices, receipts, daily logs, checklists, inspections, proposals, estimates, and more. Choose them by categories, names, or search with a few letters. The template library shows both the vertical form, which is how it will look on my smartphone, and the PDF. It will be filled out from my answers in the app. All the forms here can be customized to my needs. I can add and remove fields, adjust their positions in the PDF document that is generated when a form is filled out. Now let's select a template. The editor will load this form for you to preview and adjust it to your business needs. The editor consists of 3 steps. Here, on step 1, you need to name your form, choose who can see it, who will receive the filled out report, its name and format: PDF, Excel, Word, or email body. Hit apply. On the left-hand side, you see the fields that can be added to the form. On the right-hand side, we can control the fields through the settings. We have selected a template that can be used as is, or you can change it. For example, let's add a new field, customer's signature. See, I can move it to rearrange the fields. Now switch to step 2. Here we lay out the fields from step 1 to the PDF. While step 1 is a vertical form, here, on step 2, we create the output of the form. We drag and drop the fields to the designated places on the PDF, adjust their height and width. You see the PDF, and all the fields are already on it, except for the new customer's signature field that we added. Let's add a static text and place the new field at the bottom. Now switch to step 3. Here we can preview our form and invite others to use it. In order to preview the form, you need to download the Snappii Mobile Forms app. Use the QR codes to scan and install from Apple or Google Store. Then you need to log into the app using your Snappii account and open the form you created. The app takes filled out vertical form and puts the answers into the PDF report. If there is something you don't like or need to change, you can go back to the editor and make changes. Save the form and see the changes on the Snappii Mobile Forms app. Now let's view this form on our mobile device. Open the Snappii Mobile Forms app, log in with your Snappii credentials and find your form. Start filling out your information. Now let's preview the completed form. This is how it looks like. Choose to submit it. It will create a PDF file that you can share with anybody.